to watch his mother cry. So it's still fuck them niggas from that other side. If you mention one of mine, you'll be dead by summertime. We gon' call it get back, they'll call it homicide. If you a gangster, what am I? Just my mama's only son, taking risk after risk, catching licks with a stolen gun, swinging for the fence. I almost had to put a hole in one to make it out that situation. We don't make excuses, we make demonstrations. Still moving brown on the D-Lo like I'm in the nation. When you tryna move a kilo, you get innovative. And I ain't see no invitations, but I'm here, and I appreciate the patience. I ain't mean to keep you waiting.